कि आप सबको मैंने पिछले लेक्चर में जो भी लर्न किया करवाया था वो क्लियर होगा। और इफ़ यू स्टूडेंट हैव एनी डाउट रिगार्डिंग दैट टॉपिक एंड related this topic, you have student any query, then ask me freely. Okay, so now we can move forward in our topic name और lesson introduction to a computer। और इसमें हम टॉपिक ले रहे थे कंपोनेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर। हमने लर्न किया था अबाउट इनपुट डिवाइस में कीबोर्ड और माउस के बारे में हमने लर्न किया था। देन नेक्स्ट हमने लर्न किया था अबाउट आउटपुट डिवाइस, उसमें हमने लर्न किया था अबाउट मॉनिटर एंड प्रिंटर। उसके बाद हमने लर्न किया था प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस, उसमें आपने सीपीयू के बारे में जाना था, जिसमें सीयू, एलयू और मेमोरी के बारे में हमने जाना था। और आज हम लर्न करेंगे अबाउट स्टोरेज यूनिट। ओके, इफ यू स्टूडेंट एंड यूजर want to store the data in a computer or any kind of information which we write on a computer, it will store in a particular place. This place is known as memory. Okay, it is a if you student use a device for store your data or information, that is known as a memory. Okay, or that memory known as a storage unit. Okay, there are mainly two kind of memory. First one is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. So we learn about a storage unit. Okay, as you already know, a computer can store a large amount of data in its memory. All the program and data are stored in the computer memory. हम जो भी राइट करते हैं, अगर आपने वर्ड खोला है और आपने नोटपैड खोला है, आप कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन टाइप कर रहे हैं और कोई भी डेटा टाइप कर रहे हैं, इट विल स्टोर इन अ पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन, इट विल नोन एज अ मेमोरी। और अगर आप परमानेंट वो डेटा स्टोर करना चाहते हो तो वो सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में स्टोर होगा। और आप टेम्पररी डेटा स्टोर करना चाहते हो तो टेम्पररी, if you want to perform a temporary task, then it will store in a primary memory. Okay, like ROM. As you already know, a computer can store a large amount of data in its memory. All the program and data are stored in the computer memory. There are two kind of computer memory. First one is primary memory and second one is secondary memory. Let's learn about a primary memory. It is also known as a main memory. The primary memory of a computer consists a large number of cells. Each cell consists a piece of information. Each cell is identified by a number, which is known as the address of the cell. जो कोई भी पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन पे आपका डेटा स्टोर होगा, वो पर्टिकुलर सेल में स्टोर होगा। इन प्राइमरी मेमोरी लाइक दिस, ये एज्यूम कीजिए ये रैम है और आपका डेटा यहाँ पे ऐसे स्टोर हो रहा है। योर डेटा स्टोर इन पर्टिकुलर सेल और दिस सेल has a particular cell address which is used to access your data. Okay, a cell address is used to refer to a particular cell. The cell address is different from the contents of the cell. और ये cell address होगा जो like इसका cell address होगा A1, तो ये cell address आपने जो भी डेटा उस सेल में सेव किया है और स्टोर किया है उससे अलग होगा। ओके, it is necessary to specify the cell address and the information to be stored in it. Similarly, to read an information from a cell, it is necessary to specify the cell address. particular data, and if you want to store the data in a particular address, computer can specify a particular cell address. इसमें हम स्पेसिफाई नहीं करेंगे कंप्यूटर को कि कंप्यूटर कैन स्टोर दिस डेटा ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर एड्रेस. कंप्यूटर स्टोर करेगा बाय इटसेल्फ. लाइक हमने पिछले लेक्चर में लर्न किया था अबाउट प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट. उसमें हमने लर्न किया था सीयू, एएलयू और मेमोरी. कंट्रोल सीयू को क्या बोलते हैं? कंट्रोल यूनिट. एएलयू को क्या बोलते हैं? अरिथमेटिक एंड लॉजिक यूनिट. इसमें कंट्रोल यूनिट क्या करता है? कंट्रोल ऑल द प्रोसेस. इसमें सीयू लोकेट करेगा पर्टिकुलर मेमोरी फॉर स्टोर डेटा. यूजर ने जो डेटा राइट किया है कंप्यूटर में उसको सीएलयू स्पेस देगा फॉर स्टोर इन अ पर्टिकुलर लोकेशन और अलाउ करेगा. ओके. There are two kinds of primary memory. There are mainly two kinds of primary memory. First one is RAM and second one is ROM. So let's learn about RAM. The full form of RAM is random access memory. Information is stored in the RAM in the form of electrical pulses. Hence, anything stored in a RAM will remain stored there only as long as electric power is supplied on to the computer. RAM में डेटा कब तक सेव रहेगा? जब तक इलेक्ट्रिक सप्लाई और हमारा कंप्यूटर स्विच ऑन है. At that time only if your computer is on, RAM store only a temporary data. If your computer you can switch off your computer. At that time, all the stored data in the RAM is erased. Okay? And RAM mainly used for store a temporary data. It will not use to store a permanent data. If there is an interruption in a power supply or if you switch off the computer, you will lose all the information stored in RAM. Hence, RAM of a computer is a temporary memory or volatile memory. इसको because RAM is used for a temporary data, it is also known as volatile memory. Okay. In RAM, information is stored using bits. A bit is a binary digit which can be either 0 or 1. A group of 8 bits is called a byte. In a RAM, information stored in a bits. In a RAM, information stored in a bits, and it will store data in a 0 or 1 format. मैंने आपको बोला था computer understand only binary language, so it will store data in a 0 or 1 format. Okay, or 8 byte, combine 8 byte and make a 8 bit and combine 8 bit and make a 1 byte. Okay. So now let's learn about ROM. The full form of ROM is read only memory. All the programs and the software that help to run a computer are stored in a ROM. Information stored in a ROM can only be read. It cannot be changed or it is not lost even when you switch off the computer. Hence, ROM of computer is a permanent memory or a non-volatile memory. RAM में क्या था? It is known as a volatile memory or it will not store data permanently. ROM में क्या है? It will store data permanently or it will known as non-volatile memory. It will store all the programs and the software which run a computer. It is stored a program and a software which is had to run a computer. Okay. रीड कर सकते हैं, उसमें राइट नहीं कर सकते। ओके, देन लेट्स वी लर्न अबाउट अ सेकेंडरी मेमोरी। सेकेंडरी मेमोरी में मेनली 4 टाइप है, हार्ड डिस्क, सीडी, डीवीडी एंड यूएसबी फ्लैश ड्राइव। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी लर्न अबाउट हार्ड डिस्क। So let's we learn about a hard disk. The hard disk is a small magnetic disk enclosed in a sealed box called the hard drive. The hard drive is inside the CPU box. A computer can read from or write on the hard disk. Hard disk में डेटा रीड और राइट हेड की मदद से होगा और हार्ड डिस्क कहाँ पे होगी? इन द सीपीयू। इट विल सील्ड एंड hard drive is inside the CPU box. A computer can read from or write on the hard disk. Okay, the hard disk store all the information on its magnetic area, and so information stored in a hard disk will not be erased even if there is a interruption in power supply or if a computer is switched off. अगर कंप्यूटर स्विच ऑफ हो भी जाता है तो भी हमने जो डेटा हार्ड डिस्क में स्टोर किया है वो इरेज नहीं होगा। लाइक रैम, इट विल स्टोर ओनली डेटा until computer is switch on and erase all the data after computer is switch off. But hard disk में ऐसा नहीं होगा। You all student and user can easily store their data in a hard disk permanently. If you student or user want that data is stored permanently, at that time hard disk is used. Okay, hence the hard disk is a permanent storage device. It is non-removable, and hard disk is also known as a permanent storage device and not removable. A hard disk is a much faster than a floppy disk and has a huge storage capacity. It can store more information than floppy disk. फ्लॉपी डिस्क से ज़्यादा हार्ड डिस्क डेटा स्टोर कर सकता है और हार्ड डिस्क डेटा स्टोर कर सकता है। फ्लॉपी डिस्क से ज़्यादा कैपेसिटी भी है इसमें हार्ड डिस्क में। सो नाउ लेट्स वी लर्न अबाउट अ सीडी। देयर आर मेनली 3 टाइप्स ऑफ सीडी। A CD is used to read or write data. A specific CD drive installed in the computer is used to read or write data on a CD. So, CD is used to read or write data. And if you store your data in a CD, it is a removable. Okay? So, you can use a CD if you want to store a data permanently. And there were mainly 3 types of CD. First one is CD-ROM, second one is CD-R, means CD disk, compact disk removable. CD का full form है compact disk. First one है CD-ROM. Compact disk read only memory. You can only read the data or listen to the content. Save on it. You cannot make any changes to the data written on such CD. अगर आप CD-ROM में कोई भी changes करना चाहते हो, at that time you cannot make changes. CD-ROM is only write data once, and if you want to read that data, you can read as a or listen. In the it will store a data only at once. You cannot erase and rewrite the data. Okay, as these CD are compact disk recordable, there are blank CDs. There are blank CD which is known as a CD compact disk removable. This is a blank CD on which you can write and save data only once. As a CD-ROM, it is also write and store data in once. You need a special CD-RW. RW means rewritable. You can store your data or write data on the CD-R by using CD-RW. Compact disk rewritable. CD-RW की मदद से आप CD-R में डेटा जो आपका है वो राइट कर सकते हैं. Write and save data on it. CD-RW, compact disk rewritable. They are known as erasable disk. You can write and save data several times. You need a special CD-RW drive to write on the CD. CD-RW में क्या है, आप डेटा स्टोर भी कर सकते हो, वो इरेज भी कर सकते हो, और अगेन यू वांट टू स्टोर योर डेटा, देन यू कैन. ओके, जैसे जो CD-R में और CD-ROM में नहीं हो पाएगा, डेटा इरेज नहीं हो पाएगा, और all user can store a data only once. Okay, as this second point is our second point is DVD. As the CD, the DVD also have three types: DVD-ROM, DVD-R, and DVD-RW. DVD has a high storage capacity with a good quality. DVD and CD look similar, but DVD can store more amount of data than a CD. You need a DVD drive to access the data on the DVD. Like this, CD और DVD आप दोनों ही आपको सेम ही लगेगी, बट DVD में CD से ज़्यादा डेटा स्टोर हो सकता है. DVD has a high storage capacity. Okay, and DVD, if you want to store your data in a DVD, you also need a DVD drive to access the data from your DVD. Okay, so in this DVD, first type is DVD-ROM. It is a blank DVD on which you can store data with the help of you can only write the data from this DVD. You cannot as the CD-ROM. हमने जो CD-ROM के बारे में लर्न किया था, that CD-ROM is only write data at once. You cannot make changes in this. As this DVD-ROM, you can only view the data from the DVD. You cannot make changes on the data. Okay. Second one is DVD-R. It is a blank DVD on which you can store data with the help of special DVD-RW. As the CD-R, से compact disk recordable में क्या था? You can store your data by using a CD-RW. As this DVD-R में क्या होगा? You can store your data by using a DVD-RW, rewritable की मदद से आप ना DVD-R में डेटा स्टोर कर सकोगे. और as the DVD-ROM, you cannot make changes in the DVD-R. Okay. Third type is DVD-RW, rewritable. It is similar to a DVD or a CD-RW. You can save and erase data on the several times using a special DVD-RW. इसमें DVD-RW में आप डेटा स्टोर करेंगे जो उसको आप चेंज कर सकते हैं. डेटा if you want to erase your data and rewrite or restore a data, then you can. Okay. उसके बाद है USB flash drive. Today USB flash drive is you all are familiar with the pen drive. Pen drive is known as a USB flash drive. Okay. and rewritable. USB flash drive is removable and rewritable. If you want to erase your data and rewrite your data, then you can do easily. Okay? It is a much smaller than a CD and DVD, but much faster and can store a more data than a CD and DVD. It weighs less than 13 gram. Its weight is less than 30 gram. और CD और DVD की साइज से भी स्मॉल है USB फ्लैश ड्राइव, और उससे डेटा भी ज़्यादा स्टोर कर सकती है. USB फ्लैश ड्राइव में यू कैन स्टोर अ मोर अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा which a storage capacity of 265 gigabyte. Gigabyte means GB. 265 GB तक USB फ्लैश ड्राइव में आप डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हो. Okay, so now student, we will finish our lecture here, and if you student have any doubt in this topic, then you ask me freely. Okay, thank you.